How do you change the denominator on that third term? Let's look at why we do this. There's method 1 and there's method 2. Method 1, we don't change the sign. We just follow the general rules to simplifying an algebraic fraction. Method 2 uses a mathematical trick, which just makes our expression easier to work with. It makes it a lot smaller, because what we want to do is we want to simplify our LCD. In method 1, you can see our LCD is a lot longer. But in method 2, we make our LCD a lot shorter, which makes the whole sum shorter and easier to work with. Okay? So why do we multiply the sign? Why are we changing the sign? In method 1, you can see that we eventually go and we multiply in that negative into the brackets, into that fraction, okay? And in method 2, we're just doing it from the beginning, because we can see that if we change the signs of my denominator, it makes our LCD a lot shorter to work with. It only works if there's a negative in front of the fraction. It doesn't work with a positive. Why? Because if we multiply signs with a positive, it doesn't change the sign. Positive times a negative stays a negative. A positive times a positive stays a positive. But if we have a negative times a positive changes to a negative times a negative changes to a positive. And that's why there has to be a negative in front of the fraction for us to be able to change that denominator. This is just a maths trick you can use. Save this later for your revision for your exams and send it to a friend to help them with this new maths trick and understanding why we even do that with the sign. Maybe you didn't know before and now you know. I hope this explanation helped you. Pop more questions in the comments. I'd love to answer and help you understand the logic behind why we do what we do in certain maths problems. I'll see you in the next lesson.